My name's Dominic Fonte with Dominic Fonte Associates, and I want to welcome you to this lovely property with a beautiful brick facade. It's located at 6457 Beckleigh Circle Northwest, Canton, Ohio. Now this is Jackson Township, Jackson Schools. If you're looking for a house, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, almost 2,700 square feet, a lot of natural light, quality built, all it needs is your personal touches to make it your home. The property is lovely. Take a look at it. It has everything that you would possibly want, plus a quiet cul-de-sac. And the cul-de-sac then, when you're on the deck looking over the backyard, look at these trees. I mean, it really is private. You think you're out in the country, but you're so convenient to a great school district, Jackson Park, shopping, drugstores. It's a fabulous property. But you got to have the wherewithal and the vision to be able to do something with it. This is a perfect home to customize into your forever home. If you'd like to see it or maybe get more details, you can call me or my team member at 330-418-1535. Call or text. Send us an email if you'd like at dominic@dominicfonte.com. Have a great day.